This is Ben Langhenrichs with another brief video on using AppsFidelity to modernize your data. A couple of days ago, Rich Schwartz pointed out to me a Stack Overflow issue about a rich text field which was not rendering all the Doclinks when using XPages. So I went to the site to look at it, and I noticed that Stephen Whistle had already mentioned AppsFidelity and brought it up, so I thought I'd better check and see how AppsFidelity worked. So let's try this out. We're going to start out by just adding 1,000 Doclinks, because the issue seems to be that at some number it cuts off. So we'll take 1,000 Doclinks, create a new document. And now this is with AppsFidelity off, so I just wanted to see how XPages handle this normally. Put our first 1,000 in. We'll save and we'll switch over to the web browser and refresh, and there it is. Okay, so now if we go in there, this is what they do with Doclinks. Sort of a combination of Doclink and NoteLink. You'll notice that those NoteLinks go to notes, which is kind of odd because they're on the web. But they were all there. So let's try adding another 1,000, because he said the problem was around 1,200. But he also said it varied. The developer who posted it said it varied by document. So we put another 1,000 in, and we'll refresh it. And now we'll go down and look. Sure enough, some are missing. Last bunch of them are missing. I wanted to see, is this an XPages problem, or is this a problem that AppsFidelity might happen to handle? So I'm going to go with 4,000 because I just want to see, I don't want to make sure that we can handle sort of any number you're likely to have. So I added another couple thousand. We're going to have 4,000 Doclinks in here. Obviously, usually there'll be a lot of text, and I've tested that as well. But this will show. So here are all the Doclinks, and let's save it. And when we switch over and we look, we refresh, sure enough, what we're going to find is that a lot of Doclinks at the bottom are missing, because it really only shows about 1,600 is what I was looking at here. So there are a lot that are just missing. So let's switch over, now that we've seen this, and let's look at how AppsFidelity would handle the same thing. Just turn it on, because it's actually loaded, but it's just turned off right at the moment. Turn it on, and let's just refresh the document. So now you see that they look like doclink symbols because we decided to do that. And if you follow one, you'll see that they go via the web to the appropriate document. And we'll go down and we'll look, and all 4,000 are there. Now, I could edit this, but it gets kind of slow when we do this. So let's go look at one doclink, because I just want to show you what happens. As I say, this is a single doclink, and it on the web goes to the web document. If I edit that document and save it, this is with AppsFidelity, and I use it again, it'll still work as a web URL. But notice that if I open the same document in Notes, that when it's in there, it's a true doclink and just works as a regular link over to the document. That's how we preserve the best on both sides. Thank you.